What a lineup. Salman, you are here to present the two most exciting debutantes. How are you?
Me and Rani.
You and Rani, certainly. But this question is to you first, so therefore, how does it feel? Is there something you'd like to say to them, to their family?
Yeah, you know, this new generation makes me kind of wonder is that he's making me nervous. Show me your hands. Well, you're nervous. I have different reasons for my hands to shake. Oh yeah, your
Coming back to the question, yeah. The question was, is there something that you'd like to say to them at this point of time?
Well, introduce me. Good evening, ladies. Good evening, ladies. Krishna mom, aunties, and their little babies. That makes me feel so good when I see this younger generation growing up, and makes me feel that I'm just getting younger. Look at this. And then the members of the jury there, the press, before the film releases, you know, they'll have their verdict out, whether these guys are good, they're superstars, or they're cult figures. And I'm sure the cult figure is the one. I've seen her like actually almost the same height. I used to be taller and I'm going shorter. I don't know what, I think it's something to do with age, I think, huh? Anil? And look at that proud father crying. Arey mat ro yaar. Now come on. Are you crying because your daughter is here on stage, or I mean it's a release, or your daughter is become movie star and you go into the Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan bracket? Basically come here to give Ranbir and Sonam my position of Prem and Suman from Maine Pyar Kiya.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And now since Amir is taking the position of Amir and Shah Rukh, I'll take Anil's position. I'd like Sanjay Bansali to thank me first. Where is Sanjay Leela Bansali? Thank me. You know, कहते हैं कि बुरा डायरेक्टर, सुबह का बुरा डायरेक्टर अगर शाम को वापस घर लौट आए और डायरेक्ट करे रणबीर, सोनम, रानी और सलमान को, तो उसे बुरा डायरेक्टर नहीं कहते, उसे अच्छा डायरेक्टर कहते हैं। इतनी बड़ी बड़ी पिक्चरें, जी पिक्चरें बनाई इन्होंने, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी पिक्चरें बनाई हैं। पिक्चरों की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, फ्लॉप्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, डिजास्टर्स की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं। अब इनको फॉर्मूला पता चल गया है कि सलमान खान और रानी मुखर्जी, रणबीर और सोनम को लो पिक्चर में, तो पिक्चर हिट हो ही जाती है। How smart is that, dude?
And with a lot of happiness, I've introduced Ranbir and of course Sonam, who I absolutely love because she's Anil and Sunita's daughter. I'm emotionally attached to both of them because they've been with me during Black. And they're such wonderful, wonderful people, both of them. Actually, I was going to say kids, but they always correct me. Don't call us kids anymore. So I will not be calling them kids anymore. Say that they are wonderful, and as you have seen the teaser, I don't need to say much about them. They are just fantastic!
Rani, you know, your and Salman's appearance in the film was a secret, but now the secret is out. Do you think that your presence... Do you think your presence in the film could possibly overshadow these two?
No, nothing of that sort. I think our presence in the film is because of Sanjay, because Sanjay wanted us. and because we all love Sanjay. All of us standing here, Sonam, Salman, Ranveer, myself, we love Sanjay from the bottom of our heart. And we're here for you, and of course for Ranveer and Sonam. And I think me and Salman are going to get overshadowed in this film.
Well, that's true, but that's not the reason for why Sanjay took me in the movie. I think because Amir and Shah Rukh both refused the film. So, it was me. We got a song for you from Savaria.
That's not true.
We got a song for you from Savaria. You take the first line from Savaria. This is the first line from Savaria, the song from Savaria.
Yeah, you want me to sing Salman and you mad?
Rani, are you on to it?
Seriously, we got a song. Savaria re oh Savaria.
Okay, moving on then.
Sunita Bhabhi, don't cry. It's okay, it's fine. Your daughter is a superstar.
Yeah, actually, Anil and Sunita, now stop crying, really. Because looking at your eye, I feel like crying. Yeah? Sanjay, what is this? You just started crying over here, yeah? Sanjay, you've got us all emotional backstage.
Well, he's raised that at home. I saw him raising that at home.
Okay, Salman, now I really... Ranveer, at the end of the theatrical trailer, one gets to see the RK logo. That must feel very special for you. Do you think that your debut sort of marks the revival of the RK banner?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar. Mr. Sanjay Leela Bansali, sir,
has whacked us throughout the whole film.
sorry.
Used us throughout the whole film.
Sir, you've given my family the honor and respect. And sir, I promise you that I will strive to work harder so that you'd always say that I was worthy of this tribute, sir. Thank you.